Good morning, everybody. This is Mr. Finesti. I just want to go over how to log in to your Google account for school and sign in for homeroom. Okay, just in case you're not sure how to do it or if you forget. Okay, right now in front of me I have a Google screen. I'm signed into my own personal account. Okay, my Gmail account. I'm not signed into my school account. So what I have to do is go up to the upper right-hand corner. I'm going to click on, first find this little button. It says R, has my first initial in it. I'm going to click that little button. You're going to see this pop up. It says, shows you your account, manage your Google account, add another account, sign out. I'm going to sign out. I'm going to sign back in. Okay, I'm going to use another account. What I'm going to do is I'm going to enter in my Essex Tech account, g.essextech.org. Okay, and I'm going to click next. Okay, what you should then see is the login, the district login screen here. Okay, and it should have your username the way you log in the morning, as if you were at school to get onto the Windows network. You'll see your username. If you've saved your password, it'll come up. Otherwise, just enter it. You log in. Okay, it'll ask you to confirm. Okay, and then you can go basically to wherever you need to go. You can go to Google Drive, for instance, or you can go to Moodle. So I'm going to go over to Moodle and sign in. Okay, I've already been signed in actually. And I'm going to go to our website and I'm going to find the Virtual School Online Learning. I'm going to look for Attendance B-Day, and I have my teacher view on, so you'll only see one of these links. But if I click this, then you're going to come to the homeroom attendance form, and that's how you should sign in. Let me know if you've got questions.